All right, guys, welcome back to Kristen Crowley Live. Now, meal prep is my #1 thing that saves me time every week, and trust me, it is so much easier than you think. My #1 tip I can offer you is to be prepared. So setup is key. So you need to get everything out on the counter before you even start. That means getting all of your containers set up. 5 days of containers if you're cooking for the week. You need your pan set up to throw into the oven, and if you're making any of the egg cups or any kind of desserts, you need that pan out as well, and then get everything else on the stove. Heat up the oven, start your protein first because that's going to take the longest to cook. So throw that all in first and get that out of the way. And while that's cooking, you can go ahead and chop your vegetables, you can go ahead and prep your sauces, and you can get everything else ready. The reason I always stick to the glass containers, these are, of course, eco-friendly, but you could also store them in the freezer. You can reheat easily and they don't stain. So if you're making anything with tomato sauce, you know what it looks like on Tupperware, this isn't gonna do it. So this is what you wanna use. So these are great to use and they help you portion everything out easily and they wash up easily and it saves you money in the long run because you're not throwing out that cracked, nasty Tupperware over time. So I say invest in good glass containers. So all we're gonna do is cook up all of our food and then we're gonna pack it up for the week, and by the end it should take you no more than an hour to an hour and a half to cook all of your meals for the week, and it really is that easy. So voila, with the power of television, you can see everything is now in the containers. So everything I prepped from my favorite recipes ready to go for the week. So I have my raw veggies ready to go with some hummus. I have my zoodles that have the pesto on it with those bison meatballs that are so good. And then we have the stir fry that's easy with the chicken and peppers and cashews. And then we have the tuna salad that's a high protein tuna salad so the kids can take that to school. All of that done, just an hour or so, and you have everything ready for the week. All of these recipes will be available on the blog, so make sure you subscribe. You can do that at kristencrowley.com, right here on YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe so you get those notifications when these videos for all of these recipes are ready. And that's it, Meal Prep 101. The biggest tip is be prepared and just cook as you go, and you'll be good to go. So I hope this helped you guys out. I love doing it, so if you have any questions, just comment below. All right, you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for joining me.